There are now more ways than ever to customize your experience with standard grids in Sybiz Vision. Users now have an option on standard grids to save filter options on a grid-by-grid basis. The default option is set to off, however I can activate this on each grid I use by right-clicking on the header row and selecting Turn Save Filters On. When this new option is turned on, any filters I apply across the software will be saved to my state for that grid, meaning next time I open Sybiz Vision, the filter rules I set before will still be active, making it easy if I need to filter this grid frequently. For example, I'd always like to see only active products in this grid, so now that I've activated this option, this filter will always apply when I log in, unless I choose to change it later. I can now also save the individual column autofilter in standard Vision grids. In this particular grid, when I search by code, I always want to search the exact code, so I want this column to filter by equals. Then when I type in my product code, it will only show records that equal that code. But when I search for a description, I want to keep it as the default contains, so my search brings up anything that might be what I'm looking for. When I log back into Vision tomorrow, these filters will have saved to my user state, so I can use the same search behavior without thought. Inquiry grid screens have also had an upgrade. Different total amounts are now shown in the footer area of inquiry grid screens when multiple and grouped lines are selected, making it a simple process to see totals at a glance. Now I can select multiple lines or select whole groups by holding down the control button while I click them, and the total amount will show for only the lines or groups selected. Now when I right-click on the highlighted lines, I can also preview or email the selected lines all at once. Get more personalised filtered data out of the box with standard grids in Sybiz Vision.